What if I told you you could turn your data into stunning visuals within a click of few buttons? Having the power to take complex data and transform it into clean professional visuals without any design experience. Let me show you how Napkin AI can make it possible, giving you more time to focus on the content while it handles the design part. In this demo, I'll walk you through how Napkin AI can turn your raw information into visually engaging infographics quickly and effortlessly. So you can visit napkin.ai and create your account, and upon creating your account, a window like this will appear. Now you can go ahead and put your title. I'll put AI in medical writing, and then you can copy paste the entire content that you want the visuals of. Alright, once you have copy pasted the entire content, you can click, if you navigate through, there would be a flash sign. You can click on that and it will take some time to generate some visuals. As you can see, there are different styles of visuals that you can choose from. So whatever you like, it depends on you. You can choose from any visual that you want, that you like. You can even click more and it will generate some more styles if you are not happy with what it has already generated. So for now, I am picking up this, and then once you select your visual, it will give you some choices for colors. If you want transparent, if you want filled colors or something, you can just go ahead and play with the tool as per your liking. I am selecting this. Okay, now that it is done, you can just go ahead and customize the fonts. Select your fonts depending on the font that you have used in your PPT. You can bold it, you can increase the size, you can change the alignment, you can change the color as well. So you can just go ahead and play around with it, and once you are happy with your output, you can download it by selecting this download button from here, and you can select it in any form that you want. You can download it in PNG as well. So the only drawback of using a downloaded image is that it won't be edited once it's downloaded, so you have to come again to Napkin AI and edit your data to generate some other output. So yeah, this is how Napkin AI works, and you can just level up your presentations using this quick AI tool. This AI tool will quickly enhance your presentations within a few clicks, and as you saw that it took me so much less time to create such stunning visual that would have taken me hours if I had done it manually using any PowerPoint options or any PowerPoint visuals. So start using Napkin AI and do let me know, do share your experiences of using it, and if you have any doubts, then please do comment them. I'll be happy to help you with that. Thank you.